Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this from AlorAir. They are a premier brand in the air filtration system business. Now, you've seen me talk about some of their shop air filters and some of their products before, and this is a great option for you. It's a value pack. You get 4 MERV-8 filters. This is for the Sentinel HD55 or the Sentinel HDI 65. And again, a great 4-pack that we're going to showcase here immediately. Now, first off, I gotta say, I personally really do like that MERV-8 filter because it's kind of, it's dense enough to where it's trapping most of your pollen, bacteria, smells, odors, things of the sort, smoke in your shop or in your garage, wherever you're using it. But it's still going to allow enough air to pass to get some good airflow. Thing is, as you get more and more dense of a filter, air's not going through. And when you get less dense of a filter, then everything's going through. MERV-8 has kind of been preferred by a lot of shops around the country because this is the right kind of high to mid-level that still allows air to go through, but it's actually trapping a lot of the particulates. I have Cam here, who has run various machine shops over the years and is an expert in this area, and I'm going to let him chime in with a little bit of information as well. Go ahead, Cam.
Well, Adam, what happens here, and it distinguishes this filter from others, is the quality of the build. You'll notice around the edges here, this is a very good seal. The protectant guard over this stops things from going into there and clogging the filter and breaking the filter. When you have a guard over this like this, you're not having a particle rip the filter apart. Very good fit. Everything on angles is perfect. The MERV-8 is a great filter for shops and stuff like that. It stops paint particles. It stops dust from carpet fibers and things like that. The thing is, if you start to use too big a filter like a MERV-13 or 15, you're clogging this filter after about 3 minutes. You're putting a big strain on your furnace, your air conditioning system, and it'll actually burn up motors. So you want something that's a medium filter like this that will protect you, yet not cause you a problem with clogging the filters and burning up your motors.
Now, the other thing, like Cam stated, because of this unique design, this very sturdy metallic design on the outside, it's going to keep the structural integrity of the filter itself. If you were to just put the filter without this, the filter would get sucked through a powerful filtering system. And that's not what you want. You don't want it bending and gapping. This allows perfect snug fit on your AlorAir system to where air isn't escaping in through the sides. This is a very sturdy and robust frame.
Adam, if I can add one thing. In my shops, I've used a lot of filters. And ones with this type of integrity make a big difference. I've had them where they are in there and air gets past there, and you look in the ductwork and everything is clogged with particles and everything. This stops it right here at this level.
Yeah. And, you know, I got to tell you, so my 5 favorite things about this, obviously the overall structure and the build of this is fantastic. They spared no expense when it comes to actually using a durable, strong material. My second favorite thing is that they went with the 8. You can go with a MERV-16 and it's going to be too thick. You can go with a MERV-2 and it's going to just let anything through. This is the perfect density for a filter. That's my second favorite aspect of it. My third, obviously, it's that it's a great and premier brand. High quality brand makes a world of difference. Fourth, you know, these are perfect for the Sentinel. Always get your AlorAir filters with your Sentinel. This is the perfect filter. Do not skimp when it comes to the quality. And my fifth and favorite aspect to this, again, is the edging here that's going to fit in perfectly. These are going to slide in exactly. They're going to suck right through, suck right in, and then never move. And you're going to get a perfect no gap fit every single time. So folks, if you're looking for something absolutely to be a premier brand, you're looking for the best filtration system that's easy to install. You've seen me talk about these. You can pretty much just set them on a workbench and plug them in. You can hang them from the ceiling. You're talking about this brand, this company, and they're fantastic.
And this is basically a no-guess filter. You're not going to worry if it's going to seal right. You're not going to worry if it's going to filter right, last like it should. The quality is just excellent.
All right, folks. For Cam, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, talking about the best brands, the best quality, the best filters around. You know, I'm a big fan of this company, and I really do believe in them. So go ahead and check it out. You won't be disappointed. I appreciate you, and go get one. Goodbye, my friends.